Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a project pan update for the month of September. I am so excited because I've got 2 new roll-ins this month, so stay tuned to the end to see what will be rolling in the place of the items I'm rolling out. Starting with the first item that I emptied, and that is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I used this a total of 13 times this month. I finished it off today, and a total of 57 uses from the start of this to the end of this. I think I rolled this in, it was earlier this year, I want to say February, possibly March when I rolled this in. So I am excited to have it done, out of my collection. It was at a place where it was starting to get bad, so I'm super happy to not be panning this anymore, but I enjoyed it. I probably wouldn't repurchase it if it were still available. Becca's no longer a brand. I know Smashbox has a couple of things that they picked up from them, but not this particular product, and it was just okay. It wasn't anything that impressed me a lot. I think I got this in a BoxyCharm actually. It was either a BoxyCharm or an Ulta sale. Don't quite remember. But I enjoyed it while I had it, but I'm not gonna miss it. So there's that. And then we've got my Pure Mineral Foundation. I used this a total of 12 times. My goal is to finish it, and unfortunately it did shatter, so I don't know how well I'm going to be able to share the progress photos on camera. I might repress it, either that or I'm just going to try to work with it. Just kind of depends on what I feel like doing down the road. But I feel like I made pretty good progress this month. I'm a little upset because I was enjoying watching the progress photos. But I'm happy with the progress. Do I feel like I'm going to actually finish it by the end of the year? It's a 50-50 at this point. I mean, it is October, so who knows? But I'm going to just try to keep at it. And if I don't finish it by the end of the year, no big deal. But I'm just going to try and get as much of it as I can done by the end of the year. Next, we've got the Urban Decay Moondust eyeshadow in the shade Space Cowboy. My goal is to use this 50 times or use it up. At this point, my guess is I'm probably going to only use it 50 times. I used it a total of 8 times this month, so not bad, right around my goal for each uses, which means that I've got 28 uses left. I do like the progress I'm making. I like the dip that's going on in here, but I don't see myself finishing this off by the end of the year. So 28 uses, that's probably another 3 to 4 months left of use, so I could probably hit my goal by the end of the year. And we've got my Colourpop Super Shock Blush in the shade Too Cool for School, the one I've been working on for now 2 years. I used this a total of 8 times, so I'm not mad at it. I noticed that with fall being here, I'm wanting to reach for this more because it is a fall color, because I'm doing more fall looks. Progress is steady, progress is not great, but I may keep this in another year. If I don't finish it off by the end of the year, I may roll it out. I'm undecided. Let me know, do you want to see this in the project for another year, or do you want to just have me give up by the end of the year and roll something else in its place? So not mad at it, but you know, I'm still enjoying panning it, but I'm at that point where I'm like, I'd like to be panning another blush. And then we've got the Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow that I am panning the diamond side, and I used a total of 9 times, which is about what I want to use it. I can probably, and this is kind of shattered too a little bit, I'm not going to repress this because it is so close to being done. I don't want to ruin any progress, but I can probably have this finished by next month if I'm being completely honest. It's right there. I almost thought I could finish it this month, but didn't quite get there. It's possible that I do finish it next month. Then we've got the Becca Lip Liner this month, which I failed to use it. I only used this a total of 4 times. I was doing a lot of other lip combos I like better, so I'm not really overly mad at it, but I've got a little nub left. If I work at it, I can possibly have this finished by the next update, if not the update after that for sure. So we'll figure it out when we get there. Our next item is the item that I was debating on whether or not I was going to stay on the project because of it going bad, and then I decided that I was going to go ahead and just make sure I pan it this month before it goes bad. That is the Colourpop Lip Gloss. This was from their You Are a Cutie collection. I used this a total of 11 times this month before I rolled it out, so I am super happy with the progress. I'm super happy. I got it done. I knew it was there, so I decided that I wanted to I decided that I just wanted to finish it off before it expired, get it out of my collection, and I did just that, and I am happy about that. Now, we've got our 2 new roll-ins. The first item I'm going to roll in to replace the Becca primer, and I am wanting to work through my primers right now, is the Elf Mint Melt Primer. I can honestly probably finish this up before the next update, if not the update after that. It is right there, and I'm already having a hard time pumping it out. I'm debating whether or not I'm going to try to cut it open because it does feel like an airless pump. You can very much see the progress on this, so this will take 1 to 2 months at most to finish up. Editing Machaela here. I was trying to pan the Elf Mint Melt Primer, but I only had 1 use left, so I didn't want to go a full month without panning something else. So instead, I'm going to roll in my Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer. This is just a mini size. I don't have a lot left. It's an airless pump, so I think I can probably realistically finish this in the next 1 to 2 months. And then to replace the lip gloss, I don't know how well this next product is going to be able to show on camera, but I'm so close to being done. I have a Tarte Creaseless Concealer. This is a mini. The stopper I took out a while ago. I'm not sure how well I'm going to be able to share progress photos on camera, but I feel like I can finish this off by the end of the year. It is so close to being done, so hopefully we can get that. And that is everything for my Project Pan update. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. And I am currently pregnant, however, not for too much longer, so I've got content regarding that. Hopefully I can get a few more videos for pregnancy content filmed before I go have this baby, but if not, well, just stay tuned for the birth vlog and everything else coming up. Anyway, if that is what you're into, hit that subscribe button, but if not, but you still want to stick around, I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.